Hi, this is Chinmayi. So many of you have asked me how to make your hair grow denser or make your hair healthier and what to eat for that. So let me share with you some of the stuff that I know, but I'm lazy enough not to follow too much. I'll be honest there. But let me take you right in. Tip number 1. If you have the tendency of having buttermilk, please take a handful, yes, a handful of curry leaves. You will easily get it at any vegetable store. If you have some space, please grow your own curry leaves as well. You can add these curry leaves into your buttermilk, then beat it really well and then drink this buttermilk on a daily basis, maybe once or twice a day, and I assure you it increases the iron content in your blood, if I understand right, and it can make your hair go really fast, and it can also delay premature graying. So if you're in your teens or in your early 20s, if you can make it a part of your lifestyle, which is why South Indian cooking has curry leaves as a part of our diet. And what do? We take the curry leaves off and keep it on the side. A wise person once told me that all the stuff that you actually keep on the side is stuff that you must eat. So remember that if you want your hair to be healthy, if you want it to be growing dark. And about the density, I'm not too sure, because I guess some things are genetic in my opinion. See, even I don't have, I talk about all this, but my hair is not as dense as my mother's was. I seem to have taken from somebody in my father's side, which is slightly, in Tamil they call it Poonja Talamuri. So I have slightly thinner hair and not so dense, but my hair looks healthy because of the kind of diet and the kind of biotin supplements and stuff that I have. So tip number 1 is to have buttermilk with almost a handful of curry leaves mixed into it on a daily basis. You can also add these other spices like maybe some salt and some asafoetida, basically perungayam, things like that, or even jeera. All this is very good for your health. Having buttermilk every day is very, very good for your health. So try that. Tip number 2 is to actually include greens in your diet if possible on a daily basis. Spinach is the magic the magic green here. So if you can actually get some baby spinach, it's available in a lot of these vegetable stores right now. If you can get some baby spinach, make a smoothie in the morning with say some baby spinach, almonds, avocado or banana. Put this all together and have it as your breakfast smoothie. It'll be really good. Otherwise, you can actually make some spinach soup, add some broccoli into it if you like, put some green peas in it, just add some salt and pepper, don't add too many spices. So all that you need to do as long as the spinach soup is concerned is to take some spinach, blanch it in boiling water. So blanching is basically taking the leaves and then dipping it into some boiling water which has some salt in it. So just dunk it into that boiling water for a little while, in which there is salt as well, so that it can kill all the germs and all that, and it also clean up the greens. After this, you can just take it out, add some more water, cleaner water, not the same water that you washed the greens in. Beat it into the mixie, then bring it back to the pan, boil it a little bit, add green peas or add carrots or add anything else, and if you can, please have this soup on a daily basis. This is something that I did try at least thrice or 4 times a week, and I realized that during the time that I included greens a lot in my diet, my hair or the quality of my hair did improve. The third tip is to actually include broccoli. I know it's a lot of people don't like broccoli, it's green. So a really good doctor that I know told me that you can actually remove, see, basically broccoli resembles cauliflowers. So remove the stem of sorts. So just take away the florets, make a soup out of it, or just steam it, add some salt and pepper, and then have it as a salad. That would really work. The fourth tip is to see if you can actually have sprout salad on a daily basis. Make your own sprouts at home. It can be done overnight. Take these pachapairu, green gram, just wash it and then wrap it in a damp muslin cloth or a towel, clean towel overnight, ideally a kitchen towel that you use only for these purposes, and then you would have sprouts the next day. So you can use this as a snack. You can add some raw mango, because I do that, I'm addicted to raw mango. So you can add raw mango, green sprouts, maybe some other a little bit of spices that you might like, and this you could have either as a mid-morning snack or an early evening snack, and this, I assure you, eating sprouts on a daily basis makes your hair grow really fast. Tip number 5 is to actually include a lot of nuts in your diet. Of course, lots mean not this much, in moderation. On a daily basis, if you can just soak 5 or 6 almonds overnight and have this soaked almond the next morning on your empty stomach, apparently that's very good. I have not tried it too much. I've tried it a few times, but when I want to snack, when I'm shooting or I'm working, and if I want like a quick snack, I have this mix of nuts which contains walnuts and almonds, and I don't include cashews, but and then also some pista and then some raisins. I mix them all together, and also if you can add some sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, which are also available in organic stores these days. You can make this together. If you're interested, you'll find some YouTube videos on how to make this into granola bars or into small granola balls that you can actually snack on. It's like an energy thing that you can have through the day. That will keep you from snacking on unnecessary junk, right? So if you can eliminate all that and just kind of clean up your diet, include the greens, have the buttermilk on a daily basis, include a lot of curry leaves, basically any green vegetable is going to add to the quality of your skin and your hair. So all this, if you can just follow this for a month, see, beauty and looking good and staying healthy, eating right, keeping your gut, basically the gut bacteria good and alive and healthy, is also very necessary for the overall health and as well as for your skin and your hair. Somebody actually told me that I could start having this probiotic drink, especially when I fell sick with typhoid, or just before that when I thought I had food poisoning. I started having the probiotic drink, and I actually got better with that, which is why I kind of ignored that I might have had something else, right? So try having a probiotic drink every day. Basically, probiotic drink is also in our buttermilk, so you don't really have to go and buy a probiotic drink if you can have the buttermilk on a daily basis. So please incorporate all this, and let me know if this has an effect, and I'm pretty sure it does have an effect. So I wish you only good health, happy skin and happy hair, and all around happiness for you. May you all be happy, peaceful and joyous and healthy. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.